workshop on human-centered design really looks at a process for innovation in the face of complexity. We are increasingly facing complex challenges both at the workplace and in personal spaces, and it's a most adaptable process. And I would say beyond the process, it's also a mindset. It's about collaboration, it's about curiosity, it's about optimism, and it's about experimentation and doing instead of just thinking.
This course in human-centered design is incredibly dynamic. It's a workshop style, so there's a lot of hands-on activities, there's a lot of group work, there's a lot of reflection and debriefing. You spend some time outside on the beautiful UP's campus, and it really is, at the end of the day, you're moving around a lot and you're not just sitting in a chair looking at slides.
So hope that many of you will consider joining us, and please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.